guys. See you on next video. Alright guys, here comes Caltrain 155. Yeah, today's Wednesday. Woo! Yeah, it's 5 monthly cars, guys. Woo! Woo! I hope it honks. Wait, is this the... No, this is the 155. One 114 lane. Woohoo! 177, 176, 178, 179's right there, guys. Woohoo! Yeah, it's my favorite coach car, guys. So yeah. Yeah. Let's look at that. 94 at the back. They're taking the signs out, as you can see. Yeah, police are on the platform because they're doing the bridge project. Yeah, in 3 weeks, guys, they're going to be done with the bridge project, and we can't see MW 300 anymore, which is fun. Yeah, guys, Union Pacific 1488 is leaving on a dirtier train, maybe on Saturday, but it's leaving Saturday, but on one train. I don't know what train. There was 179, there was 170, and now it's going to that. Woohoo! Anyways, guys, if there's no next video, then bye-bye, I guess. Woohoo! Alright, guys, here comes not Caltrain, Union Pacific 1088 with a Abyss. And a tanker, I don't know. I think a tanker. Yeah, the mission base should be right behind it. Woo! Dang, 1088 sounds good tonight. Alright guys, here comes Caltrain 289. Let's see what we got here. Sounds like 117, but I think it's, yeah, it's 116. No, it's 115. Should be 115, yep, 115. Oh, darn. What a horn show. 925 at the back. Woohoo! Caltrain 289.